Hey, sports and entertainment marketing. So here is the plans up all the way until spring break. So we are starting a new unit about economics in general and how sports and entertainment marketing ties into that. So we're going to start off by talking about what discretionary income is. You're actually going to do create an advertisement for something that you would spend your discretionary income on, and then you're going to vote on each other's advertisements with like what you would actually spend your discretionary income on. Then we are going to start talking about supply and demand. And then we are going to move on from there to talk about, so supply and demand is like how much is there, demand is how much people want. Then price versus cost is another thing that like integrates with that. Price versus cost is like how much does something cost for the consumer versus how much does something cost to make. Then we're going to talk about occasion appeal and ancillary products and how when we're excited about an event that we're going to, we want to spend money about it. And then we will have, I'm not sure what we're going to do this day yet because I will be at a doctor's appointment that day. So I'll let you guys know what we're doing then. We're going to talk about celebrity endorsement and influencers. And then we are going to finish up this unit right before spring break with the big data project. And we're going to look at all of the ways that your information is collected and used to track what you might like to buy, what target market you are specifically in for a lot of different things. So that is the plan. I'll see you guys later. Bye.